This Blackstone Air Fryer combo has yet to just disappoint us at all. Today, we're going to take it a step farther. As you see in the description, we're cooking cakes in the air fryer. Now, we've done meals, we've done sides, we've even done some desserts. But today, we're going to do some cakes in the air fryer, and we're going to show you how. But before we get started, if you're looking for any of our merchandise like this, check our link down below. We have a Teespring store now. We have PayPal down there if you feel like helping us out. We have all kind of other links to a lot of other great videos, and if you're looking for the air fryer, we have a link down there also. Check all them links out down below in the description, and let's get to cooking. All right, now to cook these cakes in the air fryer, you got to put them in the pan. You can't just dump them in there. But, and that kind of poses a little, find a little small cake pans. But I found a solution, and Blackstone actually made the solution, but not really for a cake. Let me show you what we got. We have here the rear grease drip tray liners. They're full. They're kind of thin, but they actually work perfect for mini loaves. May even try bread in this one day, but they work perfect for little cakes. I mean, look. They're just the right size for little small cakes. Now, what's good about these is you can make up a bunch of these, take them, to a get together or, just whatever you may be cooking cakes for. One box of cake mix, and that's what we're using. We're using pre-mixed cake mix here. We already mixed it up, but this is the box that came in. We'll make 3 loaf pans. So you can make 3 cakes out of one box. Pretty good. So, that being said, we have done red velvet cake, so you can do that. But today, the crazy kids just wanted some yellow cake with some chocolate icing, so that's what we're going to cook with. So, let's get to putting this together and putting them in the air fryer. All right, before you pour your batter into the pans, you got to grease your pans. Well, the best thing we found is this Baker's Joy, or just any kind of baking nonstick spray. This is what we prefer to use. So what we're going to do now is just take it, just spray our pans so the cake won't stick to it. Then what we're going to do is we will pour our batter in. So the cake pans, roughly about half. You want roughly about halfway up. Now it don't look like I have much batter left, but if you start scraping it down, as you see, hope you can see, you will actually have enough for the third pan. And there you go. You got 3 of them ready to go in the air fryers. We got the air fryer already preheated. We have it on low, which is, let me get it right, 300 to 375. The directions on the box call for 350. So that's, right in that area. So we're going to cook these, and we have a stick here. We'll check them in about 30 minutes, and we'll see if they're done. Let's get them in the air fryer. Also, what we have found out is these pans will hold 2 cakes. Get that in there. Get the other air fryer out. Just set it in there. And there you go. So what we'll do is we'll come back in about 30 minutes. We'll check on these cakes. Give them the stick test, make sure there's nothing left on the stick. And if that's the case, we'll take them up, let them cool, put some icing on them. It's been right at 30 minutes. I just checked on them. These cakes are done. Let's pull them out of the air fryer and let's see what they look like. Oh yeah. Yeah. Now I took a stick, as you can see some holes here. Make sure there's nothing on the skewer. That one is done. Grab some hot pads here. Take it up, put it on the cooling rack. 2 more. Do the same here. Put them on the cooling rack. Now, that ain't one thing to do. Let them cool a little bit, and we're going to take them out the pans, put some ice on them, let the crazy kids go to town. So we'll come back just a little bit and let them cool. All right, the cakes are cooled off. They're ready to take up out the pans and put some icing. Now, we have some Betty Crocker rich and creamy milk chocolate icing. Crazy kids love this stuff. So let's get these things up out the pans here. See there? Comes out pretty good there, don't it? Look at there. What y'all think about that cake? Oh, it's so moist too. It's really moist. This one here, kind of cooked a little uneven, but hey, it did pretty good. They'll eat it. There you go. What y'all think about them cakes? They're pretty good, don't they? Let's get some icing on them. Then we'll take them inside and crazy kids can eat because it's cold out here. Now, don't laugh at my icing spreading abilities because I have none. This cake here is wanting to come apart. But I think, you know, as long as you get icing on it here, they'll be happy. All right, there they are. Ta-da! Now, I know they're not the prettiest things in the world, but, you know, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. I mean, look at that. Uh-oh. What y'all think? Not bad at all. I think the crazy kids are going to love it. We're going to find out. Let's take them inside and see what they think. Well, we got them in the house now. We got 2 of the crazy kids here. Y'all ready to try some of this cake?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's take one last look at it before y'all demolish it. All right, y'all bite into it and see what you think. Is it good, Michael? Yeah. You like that? All right. Well, I tell you what. Well, they're still eating. That's a good thing. So I tell you what. Y'all let me know in the comments down below what y'all think about this. Crazy Keith over here loves cake, don't you, boy? So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hey, if you got any questions, let us know in the comments down below. If you got any questions about what where you can get some of this stuff at, check the description down below. There's links down there too. And so, what else we got to do? Anybody know?
Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below #CrazyCrew if you want to be part of the Crazy Crew.
There you go. And eat cake.
Yep.
So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Oh, bye.